Today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken screen on a digital camera. This is actually the broken screen. You can't really see that it's broken there, but it is. And I've installed the new screen to make sure it works. But I've left the screws out. It comes off reasonably easily. And that is the new screen. And that is just the protector for the screen. All the cameras will have that. And that attaches there, underneath there. Look at these are magnetic screws. It's probably best to use a white piece of paper so you can see the screws. This screen actually came with a kit with the right size screwdriver, so that helped. And you should be able to see here where it's plugged in, and use the, pretending this is the old one, you just use the plastic tool to clip it up, and it just plugs in there because that's already plugged in. Just do that. See the white line? Not forgetting to put the base plate in. And once that's done, just make sure that's fitting in there. Make sure you don't get any finger marks on it. And that should slot into place. Yeah, once it's snapped, you know that it's in there. It's just a case of screwing the screws back in. There is a spring here which came out when I undid the back. The front came off as well, That's one thing you've got to be careful with. But these two screws were for the front. You don't need to undo those. You just, when you take the camera apart, you just got to see which screws are for the back and just undo those only. And just screw the last screw back in. And hopefully a working screen. You can see that. And that's just about all really. Bye for now.